Hello, 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 this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a ta-da finished little clip that I have made, gathered from pictures, videos that I have posted on my TikTok and my Instagram. Of course they have music, but unfortunately due to copyright I cannot post it here. I get dinged for it, so I don't want to get into trouble. So here is the flower that I am crocheting. There is a written pattern, but I did not buy the written pattern because I've been reading so many bad reviews about it that it's not written in English and it's really hard to follow with, and so on, so on. So what I did is I just followed other videos that was posted on YouTube. I guess people just wanted to do it their way, which I did it my way. Yeah, if you know how to crochet, yeah, you can make your own. So if you want me to do a tutorial, I can do it the way I made it. And I am planning to work with 2 strands of yarn to make it bigger, because this turned out 24 inches across. And if you want to make a rug, baby blanket, yeah, I've been seeing lots of people are making blankets for their babies. They're just putting, the babies on top of it like a rug and using it. So that's what I'm planning to do, but not now. So I just want to see your reactions towards this masterpiece. It's just lovely. I use Lion brand mandala. Oh, the color name was something I forgot. Yeah, you can buy the yarn from Michael's. Well, not in Canada, I don't think so, but Hirschner's, I think you can find it. It's or Lion Brand website if you love this color, or you can play around and make your own with your yarn that you have in your stash. So this, I had it in my stash and I used it up. I did use up lots of yarn. I haven't weighed it, but at least you need 2 or 3 cakes to make this. At least, that's what I'm saying. I bought it in bulks 2 years ago, so that's what I'm using. I used, and yeah, so stay tuned. If you're interested, please leave them on the comments if you want me to make a tutorial. It is time consuming, just to point out. I did 10 of the leaves, as you can see, and the last 3 were huge compared to the other ones in the middle. I'm calling this the cancer flower. Yes, it reminds me of cancer, how it spreads. Can you see it at the beginning, how it becomes? So I hope you like this video.